All right, traders, welcome back to our last week of March. So we here, guys, for our Forex weekly analysis for the week of March 28 to the 1st of April 2022. Happy Easter to everyone. So let's go ahead, guys, let's review what this week is all gonna be about. Remember, all we're doing this week is our Forex weekly analysis for the March 28 to the 1st, 2022. Let's go ahead and start with our USDJPY. First thing first, guys, I'm always gonna be mentioning, no matter how many times I'm gonna come to this channel here, one thing that you always have to pay attention is to your dashboard. Your dashboard is reading real data, reality, what the market is doing, and so on. So what is happening in here, guys? What do you guys think is happening? Look, this is what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna show you USDJPY. I'm gonna break it down very slowly for you. So then all the pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing, I'm gonna give you an opportunity for you guys to give me a niche of what the market is expecting to do and so on, okay, which is very important. All right, so make sure you do pay attention to that. Let me go ahead and close this Telegram because it's making a noise. Bing, bing, bing. All right, so this is what you need to do. First thing first, always pay attention to your dashboard. I like to end it on 1 hour or either 30 minutes. So 1 hour here is telling me, Irving, the market's still bullish. All right, perfect. The next thing you need to do is the follow. Pay close attention. What you need to do is you need to spot your multiple time frame to go in the same direction of your TWE. Here it is. See, market has been bullish for a very long time. Here's your TWE sniper entry, confirming that we're still on that buy trend. Look at the stairs. The stair, it means that TWE sniper entry, right? So market here is clearly only going in one direction. It's bullish. So what is your dashboard saying? Oh, we're still in that bullish trend. So what are we expecting? What happened on Friday, guys? The market gave us a signal saying, hey, we are going to be selling this market. But remember, this is the last week of March, so we officially entering on April. So a new month, a new opportunity, a new multiple time frame, master trend are gonna be formed. So market here has been the respected all levels on USDJPY and so on. So what's my understanding for this coming week, guys? Market here still bullish. I do not see anything yet the market is gonna drop, so all I can say is market can still come back and retest this level here or either spike up, and then from here market is gonna give us a signal coming down and retest your 23 level, and then it's gonna do a small retracement and boom. So that's what I'm thinking the USDJPY is gonna do this week. Unfortunately, the market's still bullish. There's nothing yet. Wait, never trade on Sundays because Sunday is bad business, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and analyze the next pair, guys. Before we do move on, guys, let me give you our disclaimer here. I'm not your financial advisor, and I give you a signal like that. Don't pay for signal, guys. Learn how to trade. Please learn how to trade. Stop wasting your money on signal. Look at all this weekly analysis that I'm giving you today, guys. Some people are using the same weekly analysis, but they're selling it for profit, and I'm giving it to you for free. So stop wasting your money, and then they're gonna look good, because usually our analysis are pretty good, and then they sell it and then they show a profit and so on. So stop wasting money. You cannot afford to lose, guys. Learn how to trade, and the most important about this disclaimer, guys, don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys, because this business is very risky, okay? All right, let's go ahead and analyze GBPUSD. Boom, pay close attention. GBPUSD is very wacky, guys, but I want you to take a look at it. Take a few seconds, guys. Take a second and see, what do you think? What is your dashboard doing? Where is your multiple time frame located? Where is your TWE sniper entry located? I'm gonna give you a few seconds, okay? Ready? All right, perfect. All right, so here it is. So 1 hour and 30 minutes telling me, Irving, we are bullish. Perfect. So what is my multiple time frame saying? Irving, we're bullish. What is our TWE sniper entry saying? Irving, we are bullish. Perfect. So if we are bullish, here's a continuation of the bullish. We got a pullback at once, but pullback is game over. So what happened in here is the market here is getting momentum to go where? To go bullish. So now this coming week, this is what I think the market will do, guys. Let me go ahead and delete this. Market's still gonna push back down, retest this previous 23.6 level here. Here's another green arrow in here, multiple time frame, and from here market is gonna go with the original trend because the trend here is bullish. And then from here, boom, market is gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame here, a red arrow here, same thing is green arrow here. So we have support and resistance right at this level here. So that's what I'm expecting to see the market to come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, and guess what? We are gonna be recording another video on Wednesday. So this is what we're gonna be doing on Wednesday. I hope everybody saw that Wednesday video. Let me see if I can show you the thumbnail, guys, how it's gonna look. Right here. Perfect. Here it is. Look at this one. This is gonna be your thumbnail for this coming week, right? So it's gonna say Forex midweek analysis follow-up, right? So what is the follow-up? The follow-up is the video that we're gonna record on Sunday. On Wednesday, all the candles that are not here. So when you come back on Wednesday, you're gonna say, you know what, everything worked out and so on. If it didn't, well, you're gonna still see me doing the weekly analysis because you're gonna see the before and after, because the point here is to be honest and transparent. If you disagree with me, please let me know in the comment below, you know, respectfully, because we're not here to disrespect each other. We're here to learn so we all can make money on the market, but we're not here, I'm not interested either to, you know, to read negative stuff. So if you guys want to get in touch with me in person, guys, my private link is on the description of this video. Take a look at it and send me a message and we move on. Okay, fair enough. All right, let's move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have here, it is USD, which is gold. All right, so take a few seconds, guys. See what you hopefully you guys can see the entry. Look, the setup is already drawn, but I want you to take a few minutes and see or disagree if the setup that I created here is valid. All right, so what's the first thing that you need to do? Right, is look at your dashboard. So 1 hour and 30 minutes are going in a different direction. Perfect. So multiple time frame is doing sell position. Our TWE sniper entry is doing what? Sell position. Look at the stairs. The stairs are selling. If someone tell you the market is bullish, then something is wrong with them in here. So look at here, market is going in one direction only, selling, 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 and selling. So this is my understanding for this week, guys. So we have here continuation of that sell, right? But this is what I'm expecting to see here. So market is still gonna be pushing down, retesting your 50 Fibonacci level, this previous multiple time frame here, his previous support and resistance. So market here is this is a very nice key level. It's gonna come back in here. It's gonna come back and then it's gonna retrace back as a buy position, retesting your previous multiple time frame in here. Look at all this level here, boom, 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 boom. It has been bouncing from here, from your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and from there I just left it on the middle because I feel more confident in there, but most likely it's gonna come back to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. And from here, we are going to be expecting to see a red arrow here going with your original trend here. And guess what? Boom! Market will go down as expected. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Hopefully, guys, that you guys are finding value. And let me know. Let me know.
Oh, yeah!
Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and review the next pair. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is USDCHF. Take your time, review the pair, and try to figure it out on your own. Okay, so we're gonna start doing that so you can get better off, and like that, if you have questions, you ask me. All right. So here it is. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, and USDCHF is here. All right, so take your time, review the rules, and let me know what you see. Or if you disagree with the drawing that I have in here. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and now do the analysis. All right, so 1 hour and 30 minutes in Irving, the market is bullish. Perfect. Now we need to look for what? What do we need to look for? We need to look for multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE. So it's saying what? It's saying that we are in a what? In a bullish trend. So what happened here is the market here is giving us a what? It was giving us here a retracement. This is a pullback. So retracement is game over. So look who just popped in here. Continuation of the original trend just popped in here and said, Irving, now we are gonna go up. That's what you are seeing 1 hour and 30 minutes, and the market is bullish. Look, market is bullish, period. Hopefully you're seeing the bullish trend. If you tell me market is still selling in here, no, right now is real data is buying. So what I'm saying, this is what I think the market will do this week, guys. Market here still need more data, to be honest. So I will say market is still gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame here, previous multiple red arrow here, previous green multiple time frame arrow here. So market is gonna spike down, right? And then it's gonna make this buy position here official to go with the original trend. And guess what? Boom! Market will come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Why do you think market is gonna come to your 38.2 Fibonacci level? Because there is previous multiple time frame in here letting me know that yes, the market it is in a buy trend, and most likely that is a key level. If it did respect that key level, it's gonna go to the next one, which is gonna be your sell zone on your Fibonacci level, which is your 0 Fibonacci level. But most likely from here, market is gonna do a small retracement, and by then it's gonna be Wednesday. What are we gonna do on Wednesday, guys? On Wednesday we are gonna be doing our follow-up, our Forex midweek analysis follow-up, reviewing the video that we are recording today. We are gonna be coming on Wednesday. We're gonna do the after product. We're gonna see all the candles that you guys are not seeing here. I mean, most likely we're gonna review all the candles that you are not seeing here, because I don't know all the candles that are gonna pop in for sure. But so far this month of March, guys, has been on fire. It has been on fire. So this is the last week, and we officially gonna be trading the first day, 1 day of April, this coming week, which is gonna be Friday. And happy Easter to everyone, guys. And guys, please pray for Ukraine, pray for the world, guys. The world is crazy. There's a lot of people that need help, and we need to help them, guys. Share this video with as many traders you want, a different platform, you know, spread the word, and let's help the world, guys, to make money. All right, let's go ahead and review the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have here is one of the most tradable pair in the world. The whole world love to trade EURUSD. All right.
Oh yeah!
Perfect. Now, pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. What is your dashboard saying? What is the story behind this? Look, it's so simple. Take your time, guys. Let me give you a few seconds. Let me drink water while you look at the chart. Perfect. Now, let me go ahead and help you break it down. So someone says that 1 hour and 30 minutes selling. Oh, someone says, oh, Irving, 1 minute all the way to 1 hour still selling. All right, that's a good answer. What's next? Someone saying the multiple time frame is in a sell. RTW is not be interested in a sell. Look at all the sales, sell, 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 sell. So you are correct. Market here is selling. So what am I expecting to see this following week, guys? Our Forex weekly analysis for the week of March 28 to April 1st, 2022. So what I'm seeing here is the following. Market here still has potential to come back and retest your 28.6. Either it's gonna come back and retest this green arrow here, or either can come back to your second one, but we're gonna stay to our first one in here. All right, So from here, this is what I'm expecting to see. Expecting to see the market going in continuation and come back and retest this previous multiple time frame red arrow in here. And then from there, this is what I'm expecting to see here. I'm expecting to see this coming week, guys, our TW sniper entry. You know what, let me type it in here so you can see it. Let me type it in small letters. So this is what I'm expecting to see here. I'm expecting to see our TWE sniper entry. Let's do SE. I'm expecting to see our TW sniper entry here, confirming that this trend for the month of April is gonna be officially in a uptrend. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? And this, look guys, the month is almost over. That's another way to spot the market as well is here. Look at here, multiple time frame is here, our white arrow is here. We're most likely looking for more data, so this month of April the market here on EURUSD is gonna be strong, going bullish. But right now the market is selling, expecting to drop more or either come back to this second level here, and from here we'll take off. You guys gonna see this video when we do it on Wednesday, guys. All right, so far, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, guys? Everything makes sense? Hopefully guys, you guys are finding value from this video. If you are, please make sure you drop the comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because you're gonna be getting a lot of amazing data from here, from this channel. Start wasting your money on Signal. Don't do that. Start wasting your money on Signal. And remember guys, we are recording today our Forex weekly analysis for the week of March 28 to April 1st, 2022, trading with our multiple time frame system. All the link guys are on the description of this video. Take a look at it. If you want to join us, you are more than welcome to do so. If you're not ready, you can get our My Forex Fund account program and buy an account, and then you need to pass some exam and so on, but it's pretty damn simple. All right, so guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share it with all the fellow traders around the world, and make sure you subscribe. That's the most important thing. Okay, God bless you, God bless your family, God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. All right guys, so I will see you guys on our next video. Peace out.